on command.
Yeah.
Here we go, people.
I thought
There's
Timmy
Mary
was shoveling.
and what's your name?
Gerard.
Gerard, and what's your name?
Marissa.
Come on,
Timmy.
Here we go out into. Whoa, we are.
Right outdoors.
Look at that. We've already shoveled, and it's very, very deep.
Oh my God.
David, it's like you didn't even shovel.
I know.
Holy cow! Look at this.
Really, this is amazing.
Wow. You have keys?
We have no. Don't lock it. Don't lock
Wow.
it. Holy cow!
I have to shovel this off.
Yes.
Is someone hold my cocktail?
No, you don't have to do it right now.
I need to do it right now.
Meet me halfway. Holy cow! This is probably. I have no idea how much. We got to get the. All right, people. It's what time is it?
It's like 1:45 in the morning.
1:45 in the morning.
And it's not quiet like it was before.
Well, because
Very loud.
Marissa is talking with our cocktail, and it's
Two
still
cocktails and they're not both mine.
snowing.
But it's a loud snow because it's kind of
Loud
kind of
snow.
icy, you know?
Huh?
Kind
Look
of
at that.
icy.
Look at this. It is so deep.
Yeah.
This is very, very, very,
And this was already all shoveled.
very, very deep. Very. Wow. I don't know. Maybe the plow that didn't put their plow down. And here we go to the street. Look at these cars are buried. And it's, again, what time, Mary?
1:45, 1:50 in the morning.
1:50 in the morning, and it's still snowing.
It's like sleeting, though.
It's like sleeting, though, according to Mary. It's a loud snow, so that means it must be sleeting.
That means Timmy's out in it.
Yes, and we have our beverage of choice at 1:45 in the morning. My glove is blocking middle of the light. That guy looks stuck down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, the sleet stuff might hold down our anticipated.
Looks like it's been plowed though.
Accumulation. Yeah, but one street. It's like you have to get the mound.
Whoa.
This is incredible, though, huh?
It's beautiful.
Marissa?
It's been kind of like powdered sugar all day long. It's just kind of gently been sprinkling down, just constantly all day. Stop.
Look at that car. It's buried. Things are buried. Anyway, look at these cars. Everything is buried here in Falls Church, Virginia.
Probably not halfway through the storm.
Hello? Yeah, we're not even halfway through the storm. And to all you people in Florida and California,
David is still shoveling.
Yeah, we should probably go help him.
I know. We were supposed to take turns.
We are going to take turns. David did the first round, and now he's doing the second round. This is really, really deep. Marissa?
Oh, I can't walk towards it.
How much would you say, Marissa? Look at that car. Look at that right there. Holy Oh! Look at this. Look at my feet. It's up to my knees. It's so whatever that's a car right there. So whatever my knees are, that's what it's up to. There goes Marissa. Oh my God. Ah!
Too deep.
This is really, really deep. And this is a live report from I don't know what I want. No, I was going to think of my name. What is my name?
What is it?
Puddingtane. David? Tomasito? There's David digging out our tunnel.
Very difficult.
Very difficult.
Yeah, but look how much he's done already.
Look at that mound of snow already. Love you guys. Have a great day. We'll get another one tomorrow. Peace out.